Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning personal portfolio website using WordPress, step by step, with no coding required. It's perfect for freelancers, creatives, and professionals looking to showcase their work and build a strong online presence. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type aBlocks. You'll find one of the best WordPress page builders available. aBlocks comes with 60 plus advanced Gutenberg blocks, 1000 plus active installations, and a 4.9 star rating on WordPress.org. It's designed to help you build professional websites with ease. One key feature is the huge library of pre-made templates, letting you create full pages in just one click, no coding needed. Click Install, then Activate to start using aBlocks today. Now let's move on to importing a pre-made portfolio template with aBlocks. First, from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the aBlocks Templates section. Here, you'll find a wide range of professionally designed templates for different website types. In the search bar, type Portfolio. You'll now see a few pre-designed portfolio website templates appear. These are built specifically for freelancers, designers, developers, and professionals who want to showcase their work beautifully. Click the Preview button on any template to explore it in full. Scroll down to view all the sections included: hero banners, service listings about sections, contact forms, testimonials, and more. Once you find the design that fits your needs, click Start Import. Check the box to import with images and click the Import Now button. Within a few seconds, the entire portfolio website will be imported successfully. Click Visit Website to view your newly imported portfolio site. You now have a complete website live and ready with just a few clicks. Let's move on to customization. Click on the Edit button to open the page in the WordPress editor. aBlocks gives you access to more than 60 powerful Gutenberg blocks, making it incredibly easy to create a fully functional, visually stunning website. We'll start by customizing the CTA button in the Hero section. Open the Settings panel, head over to the Style tab, and choose a new background color. Then scroll down to the Border Color section and change it to match your design preference. Next, move to the Testimonials section. Here, you can set a different background color to make it stand out. Also, adjust the border radius to give the section a more polished and rounded look. Repeat these customization steps for any section you want. From typography and colors to spacing and shadows, aBlocks gives you complete control, even if you have no coding skills. Once you're happy with the changes, click the Save button to apply all updates. Finally, preview your page to see your live, customized portfolio site in action. That's how easy it is to import and customize a portfolio website using aBlocks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress guides. Thanks for watching.